Hello everyone, this is Kim from the Beauty Biz. We are in Pickles Gap, Arkansas. It is a fudge shop, flea market, vintage wares, and they have all kind of relishes and homemade syrups and artisan. I mean, there's just all kind of stuff. And we have stumbled upon these homemade in minutes, and they are dried, like meal in a minute add-ins. Chicken and rice, there's potato leek, tortilla soup, tomato basil, enchiladas, and these are like for the home cooking. They are so absolutely wonderful. We are going to pick one and try that, and so stay tuned, because we'll make a video and you guys can see what everything tastes like. We love to go to all the vintage shops around our state. Brad and I are history buffs for sure. These are more wind and willow, the appetizer mixes. There's homemade jams, jellies, salsa, but you guys have got to see the homemade fudge that they have here is absolutely amazing. You can check out all the different flavors, and we are going to try this definitely before we go. This is the cutest little shop, guys. In small town that you get, the service is amazing. Check out all the hot sauces, you guys, and that is one of Brad's favorite. Chipotle barbecue sauce. We got the spicy pickled quail. I don't know about that. Mini quail eggs. You talk about country cooking at its finest. This is our heritage, you guys. And a lot of this is homegrown and done right in our state. Stay tuned, guys, for more adventures. Have a good one.